Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Technical Drawing Tuesdays. If this is your first time of stumbling on my channel, you are welcome, and I hope you do consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for always coming to support you, girl. I see you and I love you. So today we're going to be talking about another basic building block of technical drawing, and if you're interested in that kind of content, how about you sit tight and enjoy the video. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 60 degrees angle, 90 degrees, 105, 30, 15 and 45 degree angles. Let's start from there. So without further ado, I'll show you what you guys need for this project. You need a math set. From the math set, what you need is a compass, pencil, protractor. You need a protractor. You need it. And you also need a ruler, you need a drawing board, you need cardboard sheets or a drawing paper, but it has to be white so you can see what you're doing. So today we're going to be working with a 50 mm straight line, but since I'm going to be using a centimeter ruler, we're going to work with 5 centimeters. So you draw a straight line. You can choose any length of your choice. So you draw a straight line, and my line is 5 centimeters. Okay, so I'll find the midpoint, and that's 2.5 centimeters. I put a dot. So let's just label here A and here B. Alright, so we get the compass itself, then we place the compass needle on the midpoint, and then we get the radius. Let's say the center is O. Okay, so we get the radius AO or OA, as the case might be, and then we draw an arc. Right, to draw an arc. You can also get radius OB, because it's basically the same thing. So yeah, so once the radius is done, with this same radius that you used to draw this arc, you can draw a full circle, but an arc is most preferable, because it will not confuse you as a beginner. Now, to get 60 degrees angles, let's start from 60 degrees. You put your compass needle right on the dot where your point B is, and you make an arc, very small arc. Then to get another 60 degrees from this side, you put it right here, and then you just create an arc with the same radius that you started with. And you take a darker shade of pencil, and you join from here, from the center here, where you got your arc, where you put the arc, and you join it to the midpoint of the line, and this is your 60 degrees angle. You can just write 60 degrees here. Do the same for here. Also like 60 degrees. Now to find 90 degrees, from the arc where you made your 60 with the same radius, don't change the radius, you create another arc, and do the same for the other 60 degree points. You create another arc. Now you join right from this point here where the arcs intersect. You draw a line to the midpoint of the first line that you drew, and this is your 90 degrees angle. So I said you need a protractor. A protractor is to confirm if your angles are correct. So you place your protractor right on the dots where you got the midpoint. At first, you place it. You know how to use a protractor, right? So you just place it there, and then you confirm if your angles are correct. As you can see, my 90 degrees angle is correct. It's on the same straight line with my protractor, and the 60 degrees is also here, as you can see, so it's correct. So if you want to cross check your angles, what you do is you use a protractor and you just check. Now we're also going to look at a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle is a special angle. So so what's 45 degrees is half of 90. So you're going to bisect this 90 degrees here. If you notice, I'm using a lighter shade of pencil to make the arcs, because this is construction, so you can't use dark shades to do the construction lines. Construction lines are always thin lines and they are faint lines. So I'm using a very light pencil. Now from this line here that is 90 degrees, you make a small arc, and then half of 90 degrees is at point A. It could also be at point B, but let's work here. Let's work with this angle. You can work with any side that you want. So now I've placed my compass needle here and I've marked a small arc. I'll put my compass needle right here again on point A and I'll mark another arc. So the point of intersection between the both arcs of 90 degrees and 45 and A is where you get your 45 degrees angle. So you put your pencil directly at the dots where they meet, where the two arcs meet, and then you join a line right to the middle of this line, of the midpoint of the line that you once created, and right here is 45 degrees. Now to get 105 degrees, what you're going to do is you place your compass needle here on 90 and make an arc, and you place your compass needle on 60 and you make another arc, and then you join the line. And this right here is 105 degrees. So to get 30 degrees, you put your compass needle on 60 and you make an arc, and then you now come to point B and then you make another arc. The point of intersection between these 2 points, 60 degrees and this point B, is your 30 degrees. I just labeled it. So to get 15 degrees, you put your compass needle here on the 30 degree angle at the point where you joined the line of 30 degrees, and then you make an arc, and then at point B you make an arc as well, and then the point of intersection, you draw a line from the middle down to this point O, and this is your 15 degrees. So what works here can work here. Okay, let me do it on this side so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, let's find 30 degrees first. Compass needle on 60 degrees, compass needle on point A, point of intersection, you join the line, and this is 30 degrees as well. So to find 15 here, on 30 and on A, so the point of intersection, you join it from here, the midpoint, down to point O, and you extend your line, and this is 15 degrees. So guys, with this method you can find so many angles. 15 degrees is a special angle, 45 degrees is a special angle. There's so many special angles, but with this method you can get any angle of your choice. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope I was able to at least impact some knowledge, at least to learn a thing or two about finding angles. Thank you so much for sticking with me through to this point in the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button and join the family, and turn on your notifications to get notified anytime I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.